In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made over $20,000 with the side hustle in 2022 so far. From January 1st to the 22nd of August, which is today, a total of $20,000 net profit. I'll refresh this over here to show you that this is my live Stripe dashboard where I've been receiving payments for this particular funnel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, and tricks. So if you've been building funnels your whole life, this is a piece of information that you will probably have never heard before that you don't want to miss. And how you can go and convert these funnels into sales like this. I'm going to reveal every single secret in today's video. I'm not going to upsell you to some crazy $2,000 course. I'm going to be dropping everything in today's video completely for free, so make sure to stay tuned. This over here is more results from the actual funnel program that I've been using to build these funnels, which has been my total revenue for the past 2 years using the strategy. And I know $45,000 in the past 2 years may not seem like a substantial amount of money, but it definitely has been a great side hustle, and all of this has been net profit simply because I don't have any expenses on this type of strategy, which is exactly what I'm going to show you how to set up in today's video. So without further ado, let's get straight into the first platform. If you're new to the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel, my name is Jay and I document my journey on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a side hustle strategy that I've been doing for the last 2 years to generate about $45,000 net profit and over $21,000 this year so far. If you want to get daily webinars and free courses and value-packed videos just like today's video, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification button so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like today's one. Without further ado, let's continue. The first platform that I want you to come over to is udemy.com. Now, this is a website where you can go and find tons of private mentorship programs, such as how to learn Python and all sorts of high income skills that you can think of. If you come over to the category section over here, you will find development niche such as data science, programming languages, game development, database design and development, software testing and engineering. You've got finance and accounting such as cryptocurrency, economics, more finance, investing and trading. So this website provides a whole bunch of paid and free courses on various high income skills that you can learn anywhere in the world off just this website. And the whole idea behind the side hustle is to go and sell your own mentorship programs that can either pay a great once-off time fee or a monthly membership fee where you can actually go and earn passive income. And what I like about mentorship programs, all your profits are 100% yours because you don't have any affiliate commissions to pay. There's no commissions taken off your pay. It is 100% your product and 100% your commissions. So what I've been doing is I've been creating mentorship programs based on information that I've learned from udemy.com. So what I would go and do is I would come over to any category. For example, if we want to go and learn about NFTs or cryptocurrency and the blockchain, you can come over to finance and accounting, cryptocurrency and blockchain, and NFTs over here. And if you scroll down and click on price and come over to free, you will find hundreds, or in this case, 11 free courses on how to create your own NFTs, how to flip NFTs, buying, auto buying them, the essential and core principles of selling NFTs. So you can learn all the skills that you need to know about NFTs in any one of these free courses over here. In a nutshell, what you need to go and do is join as many of these courses as possible, or even one or two of them. So for example, this entire course over here, which is about NFT flipping, mass building, sniping, and auto buying. So if you go and join this course, you'll be able to go and watch all of this content completely for free. And what you want to go and do is enroll in this course and recreate this course in your own words with your own face or your own mic, your own recording software. You don't want to go and copy their course word for word. You want to reproduce it in your own unique way. You can use any free recording software such as OBS.com or OpenShot.org to go and edit your videos, which is also a completely free software. And once you've kind of done that, it's really easy. Once you click enroll, you just ask for your email, your full name, and your password, and it will give you each and every lecture, which is a total of I think 2 hours content with over 16 videos, which you then just want to structure in a very similar format, such as video number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and how many ever you need. You can also come over to another tool called Speechelo.com if you really don't want to record your own voice or your own face and you're really too shy to be in front of a camera. Then simply you can go and record your screen with OBS, which is a tool that looks like this, and speechcello.com to basically create your own voice so that you don't need to record your face, you don't even need to record your own voice, and no one needs to know who you are. To show you an example of what I've done is one of my mentorship programs that I've created over here about e-commerce and drop servicing, which I learned a lot of that information from Self-Taught and Udemy and other various courses, which I put together in my own membership area like this. Like I've explained to you in the beginning of this video, structure that in your own section 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many ever sections you need with your subsections over here. So for example, number 4 has 11 subsections, and each and every one will have your own video that you upload in order, which is very easy to go and create. That's going to lead us to the second platform that I want you to come over to. That is called Kartra.com. Now, if you want to get this tool for 30 days for just $1 and you get access to all the premium tools, over $5,000 worth of bonuses, such as your own done for you $1 cash machine funnel, your own done for you drop servicing agency funnel, a done for you affiliate advertorial funnel, a high ticket product funnel, a Kartra affiliate funnel, video training, a done for you affiliate bridge funnel, 60 high converting email affiliate templates, a drop servicing masterclass on WordPress, and a TikTok business marketing premium course, as well as another high ticket funnel, all valued at over $5,000, which you will get completely for free with the second link in the description of this video and the pinned link in the comments of this video. Once you've signed in, your dashboard will look something like this. If you come over to my campaigns on the left over here and you come over to available campaigns, and you can either import any one of these done for you campaign funnels, or you can come over to my membership area and go and create your own membership area. So once you've gone and created that, you just click on plus membership area here. Go and type in your name, for example, NFTs Crash Course. Once you click on create, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You want to make sure it's password protected, as only your exclusive members that sign up for this membership area can sign up. Over here, you can go and add all your content by dragging and drop the videos, your comments, your access levels, your progress, your help desk, your welcome page, and any automations that you perhaps have. But it's a lot simpler if you go and import your own done for you funnel. Like I use the ecom course funnel over here, which is a campaign that I got with Kartra.com, which you'll also go and get when you join Kartra with the bonuses down below in the description of this video. Click on deploy campaign. It will then ask you for a prefix. You can just go and type in any random letters. It's just pretty much the name of your campaign. Then come over to My Pages on the left-hand side of your Kartra menu bar. Click on your e-commerce funnel name under the pages categories over here, and you'll be able to see all the pages in this funnel. Your done for you checkout system, your done for you landing page with your own videos, with your own text, your own thank you pages. If you want to have a terms and condition page, they've got that for you. So they really have everything done for you in this campaign that you can import to your page. And from there, finally, you need to go and add your product by clicking on My Products tab over here. Click on Plus New Product, follow all the prompts. I recommend watch the free training that Kartra offers before you go and tackle this. And you just want to go and type in your product name, price, and it's a matter of just adding it to your page over here when busy editing your page. But like I said, come over to the Kartra training portal over here, which you will get completely for free as well when you join Kartra.com. It will take you through exactly how to create your landing pages, how to add your products, how to do email marketing, and how to go and sell and connect your checkouts. You can go and edit each and every page, such as your homepage over here, by clicking on these three dots and clicking on the edit page. Click on edit again, and it will take you to the live Kartra page editor, where you can simply add all your images, your text, which you can go and get from the Udemy course program over here, literally copy and paste. And you can go and add this into your own landing page like this if you want to add some of your own pictures, if you want to record your own introduction of the course, or use the video editing software with the free voice text-to-voice system. You can go and do that as well. And once all of your pages and your membership area is edited and ready to go and sell, step number 3, come over to TikTok and go and search for the relative content in your niche. For example, since I'm using the NFT example, go and search up NFT on TikTok.com, and you will take a look at some of the most trending videos on the For You page regarding NFTs. Now, you are actually allowed to go and reuse this content yourself, but not in the way that you think. There's firstly some things that we need to cover. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and make a list of the most viewed videos in the NFT space. For example, this one with 28 million, this one with 9.6 million, this one with 4.9 million. just go and save a couple of these by clicking on the video, copying its link, coming over to Google and searching TikTok download without watermark. It's super important that you download this without the watermark. Come over to the first link, paste this link over here, click on search, and go and download this straight to your PC. Once this is downloaded to your PC, and you will see there is no watermark on this TikTok. Then come over to Facebook and create your own NFT Facebook page and go and repost these same TikToks onto Facebook, but just give credit to the original creator to TikTok in the comments of your video. And take a look at this. I've been creating my own versions of my own TikTok videos on Facebook as well, and I've been getting over 595,000 views on this TikTok alone. This TikTok is currently on 7,500 views. This one is on 5,000 views. This one's on 42,000, 301,000, 67,000, 67,000, 152,000. This one is currently on 1.1 million, 61,000, 191,000. So my videos are getting thousands and hundreds of thousands, even the 1 million plus views. And this is tons of traffic that you can refer to your funnel and your course mentorship page by just posting these NFT free videos on Facebook Reels, which will upsell tons of these people to your paid mentorship program, which you have created. And all you do is you leave a link in your bio and leave a comment on each and every video, link in bio for a full NFT crash course. The secret to succeeding at this and getting a lot of sales with this is firstly blowing up, and also to charge the right price for your mentorship program. If you want to go and charge $29 or $59, it's completely up to you, but you really don't want to overcharge for your course, because remember, your course isn't going to be extremely long, so you really don't want to overprice it. But you also want to go and post on a consistent basis, because Facebook Reels is really pushing out content right now, because it's trying to compete with TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and any other short video platform. So it's really rewarding Facebook Reel content creators with a lot of virality on their videos. So now is the perfect time to go and capitalize on something like this that can make you viral like this, to go and get tons of sales and monetize your videos through Facebook Reels using this mentorship program strategy. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. If you want to learn more specifically about Kartra, get tons of free training on that, how to design your own landing pages, how to connect your email marketing campaigns, how to create your own membership areas, how to sell your own products, connect your payment gateways. I'm going to leave an entire playlist on the screen over here with thousands of dollars of worth of information completely for free on YouTube. So what I recommend is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.